For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
After shutting doors for several weeks due to lockdown, the Tirupati temple doors opened 2 weeks ago. The shrine of Lord Venkateshwara at Tirumala Hills reopened its doors to devotees on June 11th. However, the temple earned a sum of 6 crore rupees in just 2 weeks. The hundi collections of the temple alone fetched 6 crore rupees. Daily offerings made by devotees in hundi is the main source of income for the temple. The highest single day offering in the hundi was 67 lakh rupees on June 21st and the lowest was 37 lakh rupees on June 17th. About 9,000 devotees, including 6,000 devotees who had got the 300 rupee tickets online, were being allowed into the shrine daily. The temple authorities have taken several measures to ensure social distancing norms are followed. Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams or TTD has started using EZY distance calculator. Over 20 cameras were connected to EZY distance calculator app. The software detects crowded areas. The software will calculate the number of people in a particular area and alert officials to ensure social distancing. To regulate the flow of devotees, TTD has installed over 1,700 cameras at strategic locations.
దేవాలయాల్లో భక్తులందరూ కూడా కొన్ని రిస్ట్రిక్షన్స్ అంటే సామాజిక దూరం ఇవంతా ఏ విధంగా పాటించాలి ఇవన్నీ పాటిస్తూనే దర్శనము చేసుకోవచ్చని చెప్పి ఆదేశాలు జారీ చేశారు. ఒక ట్రయల్ రన్ నిర్వహించాలనుకుంటున్నాం. ఆ ట్రయల్ రన్ నిర్వహిస్తే సిస్టమ్ ఏ విధంగా సెట్ చేసుకోవాలి, భక్తులకి ఏ విధంగా మనం భక్తులందరినీ కూడా ఎప్పుడైతే పర్మిషన్ వస్తుందో దర్శనానికి ఏ విధంగా రెగ్యులేట్ చేయాలి దాని మీద అనుమతించాలని చెప్పి కోరడం జరిగింది.
The temple has made elaborate arrangement for easing pilgrimage. With social distancing, no devotee has to wait in the long queues. A temperature check will be conducted for all devotees entering the temple. Masks and gloves have been made compulsory for staff. Barbers dressed in PPE kits wait for devotees who wish to offer their hair to the deity. Tirupati temple incurred losses during the lockdown period that forced the temple to shut its doors. The lockdown that came into effect on March 24th has resulted in a loss of over 400 crore rupees for the world's richest temple. The Tirupati temple had decided to meet its temporary shortfall by dipping into some of its reserves.